Welcome back, friends. Today we have a Samsung double door freezer and fridge. So you can see that's on, but that's not making any cooling. And if I will open that side, that is not making any cooling. So I'll show you this thing here that does not give anything. So here you can see there is 3 buttons: the light, fridge, ice on. This side is power, freezer, energy saver. So the first thing we need to do, so you need to hold the top 2 buttons, this one and this one, the light and the power button, together for 10 seconds. So you see they disappear. Now it's active. So now firstly we need to press the second button, the freezer. It shows -4. So that means that's activated. So firstly you need to press again if you want to make it -6, -8, 10, 12, 14, 6 regular, 4, 2, 0. That is just the setting. So I'm just going to leave it on -4, the freezer. And the same thing is on this side is the fridge. So it's on 36. But you will see it came back to 38. So that means the temperature is inside is 38. And now it's gone to the regular mode. Everything is working good. If you want to check how much is the temperature on the freezer, so you can just see, it will show you the temperature is, the inside temperature is 4, but our set temperature is -4. And the fridge is 38, but if we will press one button, so that is showing the temperature is 36. Sorry, the temperature is 38 now, but we set on 36. So let me make it 34. So this thing is working really good. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.